Have you ever felt the sting of being treated as an option rather than a priority? It's a painful experience, one that leaves you questioning your worth and significance. But what if I told you that you have the power to reverse this dynamic? What if you could become a magnetic force that compels others to prioritize you in their lives? In this exploration, we delve into the timeless wisdom of Stoicism to uncover 10 essential rules for becoming a person that everyone will want to cherish and prioritize. 1. Create the fear of losing. Stoicism teaches us the importance of self-reliance and independence. By embracing these principles, you become a person of immense value, someone whose absence would leave a void in others' lives rather than chasing after love and attention. You focus on cultivating a fulfilling existence of your own. This confidence and self-assuredness make you irresistible, compelling others to seek your attention and companionship too. Don't be always available, just as Stoics emphasize the importance of valuing one's time and resources. You too must recognize the worth of your presence by maintaining a balance and not always being at someone's back and call you. Communicate that you're touchless and should be respected. The scarcity breeds appreciation and ensures that others value the moments they spend with you. 3. Don't reveal everything. Doesn't teaches us the power of mystery and restraint. Instead of laying bare your entire self. At once, allow others to discover the depths of your character. Gradually, by maintaining an aura of mystery, you pique their curiosity and draw them further into your orbit, eager to uncover more about the enigmatic person you are, or be costly and let them invest in you. Just as Stoics understand the value of earned rewards, you too must recognize your worth and demand nothing less than genuine investment from others by allowing them to emotionally invest in you. You become a priceless gem that they cherish and protect. This mutual investment strengthens bonds and ensures that your presence is valued and respected. 5. Prioritize your own needs. First, Stoicism emphasizes the importance of self-respect and dignity by prioritizing your own needs and happiness. You set the standard for how others should treat you. This self-assuredness commands respect and ensures that you are never relegated to the role of an afterthought or option in someone else's life. B6. Don't make them the center of your life. Just as Stoicism teaches us the value of individuality and independence, you too must maintain your autonomy within relationships by nurturing your own passions and pursuits. You remain a captivating and intriguing presence, drawing others to you with your unique energy and vitality. 07. Stop initiating conversations all the time. Stoicism encourages us to maintain balance and moderation in all things. By refraining from always being the first to reach out, you create space for the other person to demonstrate their interest and commitment. This balance fosters healthy communication and ensures that both parties are equally invested in the relationship. Of late, create your own happiness, just as Stoicism teaches that true happiness comes from within you. 2 must cultivate a sense of contentment and fulfillment, independent of external factors, by radiating positivity and self-assurance. You become a beacon of light that others are naturally drawn to. 9. Be willing to walk away. Ism reminds us of the importance of self-respect and self-preservation by setting clear boundaries and standards for how you expect to be treated. You ensure that your worth is always recognized and valued. This willingness to walk away from relationships that do not meet your standards reinforces your self-respect and signals to others that you will not settle for anything less than you deserve. 10. Don't be emotionally attached too much. Just as Stoicism advocates for emotional balance and equanimity, you too must strive to maintain composure and perspective in your relationships. By expressing your emotions in a healthy and measured way, you communicate your needs and desires without overwhelming others. This emotional maturity fosters understanding and prioritization, ensuring that your presence is valued and cherished. In conclusion, the lessons of Stoicism offer invaluable guidance on how to become a magnetic presence in the lives of others. But by embracing principles of self-reliance, independence and self-respect, you become a person of immense value, someone whose presence enriches and enhances the lives of those around you. Remember, you are not just seeking attention. You are seeking healthy, balanced, and mutually respectful connections. By following these 10 rules, you become a force to be reckoned with, a person who commands respect and admiration wherever you